welcome back to our channel. I'm Lucy and we are the Tostavin sisters, and today we have a total body Pilates class for you, and that is why I have my mat. So if you do have a mat, grab one, roll it out and get ready. Today we're going to be targeting your arms, your legs, your bum and your core for our May calendar. Enjoy, guys! Hey guys, so super excited to have our total body Pilates workout today. We didn't upload any Pilates new workouts in April, but we have lots of new ones for May, and they're going to be slightly longer workouts to really target and tone your total body. So toes tracking out to the corners of your mat or the corners of the room, pelvis tucked under, bring your hands in front, drop, lift. Nice. Make sure you drop, squeeze at the top, sink as low as you can. Nice. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold. Reach your arms out and pulse. Nice. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Nice, now I want you to lift your heels. See if you can keep that core nice and tight as you balance. Good. Slowly lift and lower. Keep your heels up if you can. Good. Nice. Lower and lift. Really nice, guys, well done. Are you liking my new leggings? I mean, I feel like you've definitely seen me wear camo leggings before, but these are a different camo, totally different, right? 3, good, 2, last one, and release your heels. Bring your hands back in front, dip and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Lift and lift. So you're alternating your ankle lifts. Lovely. Feeling that burn through the quads, feeling that heat in the legs, starting to get nice and warm. 3, 2, 1, hold and release. We're going back to those down, lift, plie squats. Nice, or sumo if you want to feel a bit more hardcore today. 3, 2, and 1, release. Nice. We're going to come to the top of our mat. We're going to reach our arms up, make sure our rib cage is tucked down, thighs are squeezed together, drop, lift. Into your chair squats or your narrow squats, however you want to call it. We're warming up those legs for 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold. Sweep your arms down, fingertips to the floor, roll up. Nice, arms up, squat, drop, up, roll. Reach, squat, drop, and roll. Last one. And roll. Shoulders come down and back. Nice. Bring your hands down to the floor. Take a step back to your plank position and hold. Nice. We're just going to fire up that core a little bit. Get nice and warm through those shoulders. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees and press back. Child's pose. Lovely job, guys. Just ease out those hips a little bit. Good. Nice job, guys. So, from your child's pose, I want you to come up to all fours. Just recenter yourself on your mat and make sure that your shoulders are underneath your wrists, or over the top of your wrists I should say, and your knees are underneath your hips. Good. We're going to round our back, then press forward. Cat-cow. Nice. Just easing out that lower back. One more. And flatten. Step out to your plank. Hold. Lift your hips, down dog, round through to your plank. Again, we lift. And plank. Good. Plank, last one, down dog, downward dog, and you're going to lift one leg high into your three-legged dog. Nice. I'll smile at you from under my arm. And pulse. 8, 7, 6. Nice work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Other side. Lift. Pulse that leg. Should be feeling those arms and that leg. 3, 2, 1, and release. Bring your knees down to the mat. Extend your left leg. Pulse high. Good. Back flat. Belly button up to spine. Try not to round. You want a nice flat back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Extend and pulse. Getting those glutes and hamstrings. Nice. Keep going, guys. We're nearly there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold and release. Tuck those toes back to your downward dog. Heels back towards the floor. As close as you can get them. Hold. Round through. Plank. Hold. Downward dog. Just like we did before. Rounding through. Nice. And lift. And plank. Hold. Good. Tap your shoulders. One, then the other. Take your time. Tap, drop, tap, drop. Really good. We're nearly done, guys. 5, 4, amazing work. 3, 2, last one. Hold, drop your knees, and child's pose. Good. Bring your hands over to one side of your mat. Press your head down. Feel that stretch in the side body. Over to the other side. Press. Nice. Back to center. Hold that child's pose. Good. Lovely job, guys. 2 tracks done. When you finish this workout today, you can say which track was your favourite in the comments below. Okay, so we're going to come down to lie on our backs now. So you want to make sure that your lower back is pressed into the floor. To do that, just lift your hips, tilt your pelvis, and press down. Bring your knees into your chest. Bring your arms by your side, gazing up towards the ceiling. You can obviously turn your head to peek at me. Lift your legs. Good. You're going to flex one foot, drop, lift. The other leg stays pointed to the ceiling for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. Point, flex, drop, and drop. Nice. Really lovely work, guys. Keep going. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Point both toes. Bend your knees so those shins are parallel to the ceiling. You're going to tap, lift, tap, lift. Double toe taps for that lower core. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold. Reach your fingertips forward. Lift your shoulder blades off the floor. You're going to extend and bend, but keep those shoulder blades up if you can. Extend and bend. Lift and lower. Lovely, guys. Just wanted to say, while we're here, pulsing those legs, working those abs, how super grateful Rosie and I are for you guys always doing our workouts, supporting us, supporting our YouTube channel. It means the world to us. Go for 2 more. Last one. Hold. Bring your hands behind the nape of your neck. Elbows are wide. Flex one foot. Extend bring it in. So it flexes, toes come together. Flex, point. And you can also do this with your arms by your side, your head rested, as another alternative. But keep lifted for that harder variation. One more, and hold. Same the other side. Flex, point, and together. You're staying lifted in that Pilates stance if you can. Really working both the upper and lower abs as well as those legs. For 3, 2, last one, hold. Reach your hands back forward. Pulse your arms. It's inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And we hope you're enjoying this workout today. Total Body Pilates. We have so many Pilates workouts on our channel. We'd love for you to see if you can do some more of them if you haven't already. Keep pulsing. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Really good work, guys. Okay, we're going to come on to our side next. We've got another track. I'm going to move my music there so I can see. We're going to point our toes to the corner of our mat. We're going to rest our head down on our hand and bring our top arm in front like so. Making sure that your hips are always facing me. Pulse. Good. Pulse that leg. Keep going. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, flex and point. Flex and point, flex and pulse. Keep going. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Point, lift. We're going to tap, lift. Quick taps. Tap your knee, extend. To the beat. Tap, kick, tap, kick. Strong leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold. Drop, lift. Drop, lift. It's down, up. Keep going. Point the toe. Down, lift. 5. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring it halfway back to pulse. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold and release. Let's switch over to the other side, guys. You've got to even out those legs. Rest your head. Start with your pulse. Good. Hips forward. Concentration phase. Nice. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We flex. Keep pulsing. The legs are working. You should be feeling those inner and outer thighs. You might feel your quads a little bit. You really want to keep those legs tight. Try not to have like a soft foot. It's really flexed. Just squeeze your leg for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we point, lift, tap. Quick ones. Tap, kick. Nice and fast. Good. If the pace is too fast, just drop to a slower pace, but keep moving that leg. Nice. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop, lift, drop, and lift. That last move on this side before our pulses. Tap, lift, tap, lift. Good. You've got 3. Nice. 2. Last one. And pulse it out. Keep those hips facing forward. Core tight. Nice, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Come onto your front for me. Press your hips into the floor. Press your elbows back. Lift into a cobra. Feel that stretch through the front of the body, through the lower back and glutes. Release. Then tuck your toes. You're going to bring yourself all the way up to a downward dog. Feel the stretch down the back of the legs Really press that chest forward, round through to your plank, hold, and lower. So it's cobra, lower, downward dog, stretch, round to plank. Nice, lower, cobra, and drop, downward dog, and stay here for 3, 2, 1. Release your knees down and come to a seated position. Good job, guys. Really hope you liked that total body workout today, working all the way through your legs, your abs, your bum, getting a nice little flow to finish, and we will see you soon for more workouts. Don't forget to comment below which your favourite track was. We'll see you soon.